welcome back to the channel. I'm JoJo, the Joyous Genealogist, and I'm so happy you came back for another video or that you found me. It always makes me happy. And yeah, let's get started. So today is an exciting video because this is something I get asked quite a bit, and I think you guys probably know what I'm talking about. And that is, can we upload our tree or our GEDCOM file into FamilySearch? And half the time I have to say yes, but no. Like, yes, you can, but it's painful, right? It's time consuming and painful. Well, I'm going to show you today how you can do it in a more painless way. All right. So let's get started. I'm excited. All right. So first off, you're going to log into FamilySearch.com. Okay. And you're going to want to scroll all the way down to Solutions Gallery. And I guess before I do that, if you're super new, I should explain this. Oh, sorry about the camera. If you're super new to genealogy, you're a beginner, FamilySearch is a world tree. And everybody in the world can use it. Everybody in the world can edit it and add to it, delete, whatever, merge. They don't let you delete people as easily now. And then there's other websites like Ancestry and MyHeritage where you can pay for a service, but like they own your tree in a sense unless you pay for it like monthly, right? So you don't typically really own that. It's not like yours, right? And then you have some other software programs like Roots Magic, Family Tree Maker, and Ancestral. I'm getting ready to show you guys it. I forgot the name of it already. Those kinds of web genealogy software is where you can store your tree that is on Ancestry. It syncs with Ancestry and will sync with FamilySearch so that you can work with those two softwares, syncing information together and adding more information. It helps you do your genealogy on a bigger scale. It helps you find more documentation. It just brings it all together into one place, and it helps you save and preserve all that information in one place and back it all up. So with that being said, that's the two differences. FamilySearch is a world tree. It's not really yours, but we're sharing it. We're learning from it and we're helping it grow with other people. And then you have your own personal trees. So I used to work from Ancestry into FamilySearch, but that was like in 2012. And now I work from FamilySearch mostly into all the other ones. Because FamilySearch has so many records now than like they used to. They have probably more records than I think most any site out there. They have the tools for you to be able to find those records on any of those sites out there. So because of the wiki. So, all right. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to come down to Solutions Gallery. Now that I explained like the different sites and what those are, I hope you follow me there. If you do use Roots Magic, let me know. Put Roots Magic in the comments. Or if you use Family Tree Maker, put that in the comments. And if you guys are wanting more help with the videos on either one of those, let me know what you guys need help with. I'm really like pushing to do a live to see, like pushing, but like I'm thinking about doing a live so I can figure out what all you guys need help with so I can do some videos about it. All right, so go to Solutions Gallery. I know I talk way too much. Okay, but I have a lot. I haven't been on here in a couple weeks and I haven't covered anything. So these are things that are all going on in my brain. So what you want to do is come down, click on Solutions Gallery. It's the bottom of the page on any page on FamilySearch. And you're going to look for Family Tree Management and click on More. And then when you click on More, you're going to see Ancestral Quest, and you're also going to want to look for Roots Magic. Those are the two software programs that are compatible for downloading your tree into FamilySearch. Okay, so those two software programs are the two ones that I'm talking about that are like Family Tree Maker, and you pretty much you own that tree. So when you buy the program, you own all of that information per se, right? You back it all up, you own it. That's what I say. And then Roots Magic looks like this, and I've done a video on it. So I don't show you how to use it. I just show you what what all the software can do and how it syncs. I go over if it syncs with FamilySearch, if it syncs with Ancestry, and it was on sale 50% off during Roots Tech. I did warn everybody to get it then when it was $20 off. It is now $39.95 if you want to get it, or there's a free version. So the cool thing about Roots Magic is there's a free version, a free app, and you don't have as much of the syncing, I think, capabilities. I think there's a barrier on that. But also does Ancestral Quest 2 has their own free software it's free, and they have their own free app from what Family Search told me. And they're both for Windows and for Mac. So you don't have to worry about that there. And I mean, Roots Magic is pretty simple to use, but I've used both Roots Magic and Family Tree Maker. And I went with Family Tree Maker because I don't know, I guess I like it better. I couldn't tell you right now, honestly. I like the fact that I have a book that I can create with all the information I learned from it, but so does Roots Magic. I liked the fact that it did more syncing with Family Search, I think, than Roots Magic was doing. But I think Roots Magic has this capability it's got more capability and technology that it's working with Family Search better. So you can still work with Family Search through Roots Family Tree Maker, though. You can still sync between Family Search and Family Tree Maker when you're working between the two. All right. So that's how you're going to do that. So you're going to want to come down to one of these, sign up for it, start your tree. If you already have one, then you would go from there. But you need a GEDCOM file to download into one of these programs too, right? Okay, so if you have a GEDCOM file and you don't want one of these software programs to help you out in your genealogy, you can go to search and go to genealogies, okay? Yeah. All right. Now genealogies is separate from Family Search, but it is a catalog basically of community trees. Okay, so it's other people's trees they've downloaded into Family Search, and you can search for them right here. Okay, but what you want to do, if you want to upload your own individual tree, you would click on this. Okay, and it's going to say upload a GEDCOM file. You're going to choose your file. Now, I want to show you something. If you have, say for instance, you don't have Roots Magic or Family Tree Maker or anything like that, you could go to Ancestry. If you have an Ancestry tree, whatever you're using, you've got to have a way to download a GEDCOM. Unless you're just a beginner, like you're just starting out, then we're going to have to start one person at a time, generation by generation, until we get there. But we can get there. That's how I started. All right. So if you need to get your GEDCOM from Ancestry, I'm going to show you how to do this really quick while I'm here. Go to your trees, go to the tree you want to download. And I have several trees in here. Excuse me. I have several trees in here. And so I clicked on a smaller tree. Okay. And then once you click on that tree, go over here to more and go to tree settings. And then if you go down here to the right, it says download your GEDCOM file, download it if you have one, right? So if you have a tree, you have a GEDCOM file. And so what I did, I just did the smaller tree. It's 1,400 people, okay? Because you do not want to, if you have a large tree, of thousands of people, you want to use Roots Magic or the Ancestral Quest to do this. You don't want to download thousands of people this way, okay? Because you're going to see why. I'm going to show you. And then I'm just going to name this the 1,400 tree. Okay. And I got it from Ancestry. I'll just put Jen. I'm probably not going to keep this on there, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. And then all you do is upload it. And it's pretty quick for 1,400 people. But like I have larger trees that have like 100,000, 200,000. You would not want to do like that many. You would not want to upload that many people this way. You would want to go ahead. You would want to go ahead and get Roots Magic. It's free. Download it. Upload the Jed Common there from Ancestry or wherever you are getting it from. Okay, so now it's processing. And it tells you right now 940 people. So, okay, it's done with the people. And then it's really cool what it does after this. It sorts the people. All right, it's uploaded. It's done. Okay, now next you're going to want to click on compare. Okay, you could also download it. Okay, so let's go compare. And now it's comparing. It's like sorting, like I said. So it's going to sort them out. It's going to show you. It's really cool what it does. And I might use this because there's quite a few people that aren't, out of 1,400 people, there's like 300 people on this upload that are not in FamilySearch, which I'm shocked about. So I've done some work on Ancestry that I haven't synced over into FamilySearch, which I'm surprised. So we'll see. But I mean, I have to, when you want to make sure, you want to double check that there's not duplicates. There's something like, there could be minor errors. So this should be done. It shouldn't take that long. I did this prior to doing this video just to see how long this would take, and it didn't take very long. So be patient. It's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. This is very cool. Very cool. I hope you're excited. Let me know if you guys are excited about this. Or if you already knew. If you already knew about this, let me know. Why didn't you tell me? Right? And I will link the video. There's a video that I watched from Roots Tech that told me about this. It was a training from FamilySearch. I will link it. It's not on YouTube. It's unlisted, which I'm shocked. But if you go to Roots Tech, you guys, you can watch all the shows, all the trainings, all the sessions. They're on there. They'll stay on there. But for this one, I thought they would post it. Maybe they're going to post it down the road on their FamilySearch YouTube channel. But since they haven't, I will post it in the description. And hopefully you'll be able to watch it. If you can't watch it from the description, I don't know. You'll have to go to Roots Tech to do so. All right, it's ready. Now we're going to click on view. Okay, here it is. It shows there's 1,400 people exactly. All right. It shows this is the potential matches right here. Okay. And everything's color coded. All right. This is so cool. All right. And then this is add to family tree. There's 352 people that's what I'm saying, that are not in my tree that should be in FamilySearch. Okay. And then there's 813 that are already in the tree. So they already are good matches. And then there's this little category here. It means some of these people are living, or there's invalid information. That means there's not enough information or inaccurate. Okay. And then your invalid and living people, go in here and just see, like, you can tell this person hasn't been dead very long. There's obviously not enough information here. You can tell. So this is a start basically for people who have a GEDCOM file and they don't want to use a software program. Here's an option for you. That's what I'm saying. Here's an option. Or, like I said, you can use one of the other software programs that are free. There's no reason why you couldn't use that. And yeah. So very, very cool. So you can really see how easy this is to use. Anybody could download a GEDCOM into here and start building your tree into FamilySearch. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know in the comments. Let me know, like I said, if you already knew about this and if you use it. Do you use it? Do you use it? But yeah, I would like to know what you guys need. What videos you want me to do? What do you need help with? Do you need help with FamilySearch? Do you use Family Tree Maker? That's the software program I'm using right now. Do you need more tutorials on that? Do you need tutorials with Ancestry? What about Research Wiki? Because Research Wiki there's a lot in there and there's a lot to learn and it's just really diving in. But do you need some help with how to search and use Research Wiki? I'm doing some Croatian research right now and I found some really cool information. A website actually that I can find it. I just found about my Serbian ancestors, and this is it. And they've been compiling information of Serbian genealogy for the last 20 years. It was $10 a year for me to be a member of this website and get information and learn history about my heritage in Serbia. And it goes back all the way to, like, it gives you a timeline, content, just so that you can learn about the culture and the different areas and the name changes and the rulers, and there's just so much. But I found this right here through Research Wiki. So there's just so much stuff like Research Wiki has to offer. But anyways, let me know what you guys would love some help on, and I'll see what I can do. I'll see what I can do. I see what I can do. And I really, 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 really would like to know what days work, who's interested in doing lives and what days would work best for lives as far as helping people out. Because that's what I really want to do, is do some lives. And so I'm trying to pin down, should I do like a Sunday evening? Would that be appropriate? Or maybe a Monday evening, something like that, or possibly a Saturday. So I'm looking at Sunday, Monday, or a Saturday evening. Any other day during the week is probably not going to work out for me personally, because I'm going to the temple during the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. And then other stuff going on. So that's what I'm thinking right now. So let me know what you guys think about that too. And yeah. So I hope this helps you guys out. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Give me a like. Let me know. It helps the channel out. It helps other people find the channel. All right, you guys. Until next time, man, be safe, be good, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.